Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My channel name is CG English Wall. My name is Pankaj Demangal. Today topic is very important. I will talk about a simple but very big problem. A person who wants to learn English, but everyone say I know the word of English, but I can't speak. So why know every word but they can't speak in English. So today problem is we don't have in the habit of speaking English. So how to make a habit of speaking English? You face this type of problem and if you want to build in the habit of speaking English, so stay tuned till end. I will show you a simple way to build up your king habit. So today video is very important. First thing is that start with a small sentence. Try to be speak long and complicated sentence. Start with a small and easy sentence. For example, I am happy, I am sad, I am eating, I am working, I am busy. This type of sentence easy to speak, easy to understand. In this practice on daily basis, you can build a habit of speaking English. Second thing is that talk to yourself. Yes, speak English with yourself. When you wake up, what you see, what you observe, what you feel, try to describe the thing in your own word. This is a very powerful thing and you can create English environment by talking to yourself. No matter around you what you have, just observe that thing and try to speak in your own word. Think is that in your think in English. Don't think in your native language when you try to speak in English. Direct think in English. Suppose you when you see water, so don't think in Hindi word pani. Direct think in water. When you see sky, think water. Don't think Akash and Asma. This type of sentence don't think in your mind. If you think directly in English, your mind start understanding this thing and your mind start thinking in English directly what you see, what you observe, what you watch. Then they start understanding of English. Fourth thing is that daily practice. Yes. Set a goal and speaking practice for 10 minutes, for 15 minutes according to your required. You will have to practice on daily basis so that you can habit of speaking. Because speaking habit is developed when you practice on daily basis. So practice on daily basis to speak in English. And fifth thing is that it's very important. Don't fear of making mistake. That is part of learning. So if you are making mistake and if you make any mistake while speaking, it is just a part of learning. So accept you are making mistake and don't be making mistake. Try speak more and more because practice makes perfect. You make a mistake, it means you are learning or adopting something new. That's why you make mistakes. Then and sixth thing is be positive and don't compare yourself with other. Yes, when you start learning English, so you must have seen a lot of English content and you think that he is good at English. I am not good in English. His English is very good. and I am not good at English, and my English is not good. I don't have much knowledge about these things, and I am lacking a lot. I make a mistake a lot. I feel fear of speaking English. I feel fear of making mistake, and my pronunciation is not good. My knowledge is not good. I am very weak at English. This type of thing is not good for you. Think definitely you can develop a habit of speaking. Don't be try to be perfect. You just need practice. And if you focus on practice, practice builds confidence, practice build habit and talent and smartness. Say this, follow these things on daily basis, and you can improve your English language, and you can build up confidence and build habit of speaking English. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, share to my channel.